another Tool-a-Holic Tuesday. So stick around, because at the end I have another Tuesday tidbit for you. Well, here it is. It's a NAPA Blue Fuel 360. All right, I'm going to go ahead, do an unboxing, and see what we got. This Blue Fuel 360 has 150 lumen, lasting 360 minutes, or 300 lumen, lasting 180 minutes. It's got a unique ball joint that enables 360-degree swivel or tilt. Plus it has high impact ABS housing and a magnetic base and rear. So, hey, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and see what we've got here. This is from NAPA, and it's called a Blue Fuel 360. There's the unit there. Owner's manual. Model 85-913. The Blue Fuel from NAPA. NAPA makes some pretty good products. And here is a charging plug. Whoops, there's the cover for the plug. It's like a USB plug. You've all seen those. And here is the cable with the USB, and it's got like a cell phone type charger on the other end. That will plug in to the back right here. A little flapper door here that drops down. And it's got a hook. There we go. So you can hang it. There it is. Put it back down. You know, the two things I like about this light is the not only the fact that it's LED, you know, that goes without saying, is the fact that it's got the articulating feature here, you know, that pretty much lets you do darn near any direction that you want. There's a ball bearing down inside here. I'll try to show you that here, see if we can zoom in. Gonna need better lighting, but there is a ball bearing there. There you can see it. It's kind of like a pivoting, rotating, pivot and rotate. Wonderful. And this magnetic base on here is very strong, so it'll stick, you know, to something. For example, pull that sticker down. If I wanted to put it there, you know, use it for a work light. All right, shine it down, a little spotlight down here. But yeah, that's a strong magnet there. And it's got a nice durable housing on here, ABS. You know, this is a really nice unit. And I'm glad I was able to show it to you. From NAPA, the Blue Fuel 360. Hey, thanks for sticking around for the Tuesday tidbit. You know, I got to thinking, now with football season in full swing, why the kickers? They're always trying to get their balls between the uprights. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.